Hello and welcome back to this course, Online Instructional Technology. Today we are on Module 4, Selecting and Using the Appropriate Technology. Technology for online education can be broken down into various types. Technology for online course design. This could be the first set of technology that could be required. Then technology for course delivery, and then, of course, also the learning management system itself. So let's start with technology for online course design. So tools like Google Material Design are important tools that will allow you to design attractive instructional material. Adobe Voice for voice creation. You can even use Twitter, WhatsApp groups, or other social media platforms for class discussions. So those tools can be used to enhance the learning. Screen and lecture capture software like UpStudio can also be used in your course design. Graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, PaintShop Pro, Blender, and so on are number of tools that are available you can use for online course design. The next technology is for course delivery. How do you deliver once the course is designed? So that's where the LMS will come in very strongly, because the LMS is the central component that is used as platform to connect both the learners and the facilitators. So other tools like discussion boards, chat rooms, video conferencing systems, and even tools like or technologies like YouTube can be used at the advantage of delivering the course. Then next, we need technology for motivating and engaging the learners. When learners are online, they find they are alone in their own environment and in their own time. And if there is nothing that motivates them and engage them into the learning, they are likely to default and they are likely to drop out of the course. So technology for motivating and engaging learner is very key. Then we need technology for online assessment. How do you assess the students? In face-to-face, it's quite easier and traditional to evaluate and assess the student learning level of the course. But when it is online, you need to use the appropriate technology also to be able to deliver online. So tools like lockdown browsers or anti-plagiarism tools like Turnitin can be integrated either directly into your learning management system or used separately to be able to assess the work of the student and making sure that indeed they are progressing and they are getting the learning that they are supposed to acquire. Then technology for collaboration. Collaboration is extremely important. It's part of the means by which we can motivate and engage the learners. So when students are put in groups that they have work to do in group, that bring a kind of accountability on the part of the peer learners, and it also helps them to remain on course. Then we need technology for building learning communities. So it's very important. Student online will become confident when they feel themselves to be in a community, like in the traditional face-to-face when they are in class. They interact in the class, they interact even after the class during break times. So you should have a way, use the right technology to build those learning communities in your course. So the technologies are many. And for a particular objective, many technology might be available. So one important question is, how do you compare the technology so that you can select the appropriate one? Important criteria to consider when comparing technology are, number one, simplicity. Simplicity is very important. Is it simple to use? You have to choose the most simple and straightforward technology. Students don't have a lot of time to invest in learning complex technology. So that is extremely important. Number two, effectiveness. Is the technology allowing to carry out the task successfully? That's important. Number three, reliability. Is the technology reliable, or does it frequently fail? Failures in technology always result in frustrations that can lead students to drop out of the course. So the next item is cost. Cost is very important. Is the technology affordable? Is there a budget for it? Will the return on investment outweigh the cost? So these are key questions you have to answer. Then next to the cost is the provider. Who is the technology provider? Is there any strong business behind that technology? Are you sure of continuity? Then the next is support. What kind of support is available for this technology? When you run into problem, who can you run to support you? Then next is portability. Portability, is the technology only limited to some sort of devices, platform, or systems? Then finally, we have scalability. Scalability. Can you easily extend the use of the technology to more users, more devices, etc.? That's what scalability is for. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will enjoy going through the material provided for the module.